Hi everyone, Dr. Rush here. I know it's been some time since I last did a video. It's been ages since I've done any of this. Life happens, busy at work, all of that. But one thing I wanted to address today that I think is something that a lot of people don't quite understand, and this is going to be a very short video simply because it's very simple, and that's hydration in pregnancy. So most people on a daily basis, despite all of these water bottles and cups and all the stuff that they've created to get people encouraged to drink more water, there are still so very many people who don't drink enough water. And interestingly enough, water is essential. It is essential for for just health in general. Your skin, for some people, if they don't drink enough water, like me, acne just becomes an issue, which I really never have acne personally. But I know that water is a way that the body just kind of rejuvenates, regenerates, and sort of flushes itself of all the impurities that we, ingest or inhale on a day-to-day basis. So talking about hydration and pregnancy, what I always tell people, and this is a rule of thumb to use for everyone, just to be simple. So my friends always tell me, keep it simple, stupid. And it was such a really profound saying that I had to use that as one of my daily thought processes because I like to complicate things. So for this, I'm going to make this very simple. When you talk about the ingestion of water and what is adequate, so the minimum amount of water that you need to actually ingest on a day-to-day basis is at least half of your body weight in ounces of water a day. So what that of course means is that if you are 180 pounds, you need to be drinking at least 90 ounces of water a day minimum. That doesn't mean that that has to be all that you drink, but that literally needs to be at least the minimum. So what that really looks like is 3 of your sort of 33 ounce smart waters a day. And this is not an endorsement for smart water. It's just something that I like to use as a rubric because it's something that most people know what it is. So I think that, when you look at your weight, and if we're talking about 16-ounce bottle waters, then you have to do the math on that. For the most part, I know it seems like a lot. That's the reason why I use smart water as an example, just simply because you get a lot of water in just a one bottle, and you're not thinking about, oh my God, I got to drink like 6 or 7 16-ounce bottle waters a day. So just a thought, just something to consider. And so when it's all said and done, I think that if you all use that as your rule of thumb, I think you'll be good to go. All right, guys, until next time. Bye.